Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we can understand post mapping and request body annotations. What is post mapping? Post mapping annotation is used to handle HTTP post requests and maps HTTP post request to the particular handler methods. The post HTTP method is used to create a new resource. This post mapping annotation is inherited from request mapping annotation. Instead of specifying request mapping with a specific method type or RequestMethod.POST, simply we can use post mapping annotation. With the help of post mapping annotation, we can easily define endpoints of REST API and handle various HTTP requests also. What is request body? Request body annotation is responsible to convert request body into a Java object using HTTP message converters. Okay, let's move to STSID to understand more about these annotations. This is employee controller class. Inside this class, I am implementing one method, public response entity employee save employee. On top of method, I am using post mapping annotation /API /create employee. This is the endpoint. As of now, returning null. Here I am passing employee object as the argument employee. I am using request body annotation. This annotation will convert the request object into Java object. Directly I am returning new response entity employee HTTP status dot created. The status code created will provide 201 created. This is the status code created. Here I will create post URL, that is http //localhost 8080 / base URL, that is employees and this endpoint. Copy, paste here. Let's copy this URL, start the application. Browser cannot support post request. For that, we will use Postman tool. Open Postman tool. This is Postman tool interface. Selecting method type post. Paste copied URL here. Go to body. Click on raw. Choose JSON. Here create JSON object. These keys and our variables must be same. Let's move to employee class. Copy ID. Paste here. I'm writing some number. Employee name Vijay. Employee address Delhi. Click on send button. Yeah, this is JSON data. This is the status code 201. 201 created. Here the post mapping annotation is used to create new resource. A request body annotation will convert the JSON data into Java object. This is all about post mapping and request body annotations. Okay, I will see you in the next video.